Hello, my name is Laughter Olowoshoyo. I'm a mathematician. I'm also a teacher. And I go around, I see a lot of people that have issues with mathematics. They feel math is so difficult, it's so hard, it's so complex, everything hard to do this one, find the formula, find this one. Why is it so difficult, so complex? So in this channel, we're going to be looking at how easy math is, and we're going to be looking at the concepts of math. We're looking at all the simple concepts. You're not going to be looking at the hard things. No, we're not going to be talking about things like matrices and things like that. No, at least not now. Maybe in the future. But now we're going to be looking at the simple concepts, and I hope you'll learn from it. If you have any problem with mathematics as a basic concept, just make sure you check this channel and make sure you learn from this, because this opportunity is going to be helpful to you. Yeah, it's going to be very helpful to you. Yes. So let's get straight into it. Well, mathematics is something that you have to practice also. So don't forget to also always practice. Always practice math. Math is very easy. The more you practice it, the easier it gets, the more interesting it gets to you, and the more you like it, you enjoy it. In fact, sometimes you would feel as you are sleeping, you'll be seeing maths in your dream. And even when you're playing games, you'll be seeing maths as you're playing games. Because actually, all games, it has to do with maths. Are you getting it? Yeah. So let's talk about addition. For this class, we're going to be talking about single digits addition. Single digits, single numbers from 1 to 9. We don't want to go we don't want to start by going fast. 239,000 plus something. No, let's start from the lower level. Now, if I say you should add something like this: 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 in the next 5 seconds. How did you do it? Should I give you time? Okay. 1, 2. Stop. Have you gotten your answer? No. Your answer is 45. Yeah. If you got 45, very good. If you didn't get 45, don't worry. I'll show you a way you can do this very fast without stressing yourself. See, mathematics is very easy to do. You don't need to stress yourself. You just need to know the process, and get your answer. So this man here, how do we solve it? Let me first tell you about something they call complements. There's something they call complements. Complements. I'll talk about complements of numbers. Complements. Normally, complement is actually the same thing. When you see two couple together and they are doing well together, you say, they complement each other. So the same thing with complements in mathematics. When you see two numbers that add up to give you 10, you say they complement each other. Like for instance, you have a number like 2. What's the complement of 2? What number will you add to 2 to give you 10? You have 8. Will be the complement of 2. And then you have another number, let me look for another number there. You have 3. What is the complement of 3? You have 7. Let's look for another number. Complement of 4 is what? 6. Very good. Then another complement. You have 5. Complement of 5 is what? 5. Complement of 1 is what? 9. Very good. So now that we know what complement is, this will help us in adding numbers. It will help us. We'll be able to know, okay, how do we add numbers? If there are plenty, if they give you 27 numbers, you can add everything together, and without using a calculator. Because calculator is good, it's very good. It helps people in some aspects, but it makes us kind of lazy, especially at this level. If you want to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, you are still carrying calculator there, that's wrong. We should be able to do it without using a calculator. We should be able to get it easily. Are you getting it? So that's why we want to learn this. We want to learn this complement. When you know a complement, you know how to can find complement, you know how to use complement to add, even to subtract, then we can go on. Now, let's use complement to solve this problem. You have 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3. Yes. What's our answer? What should be our answer now? Let's look with using the complements. We should be able to solve it. What are complements here? You have two complements here. You have 1 and 9. That's one complement. That's 1. You have 7 and 3. That's another complement. You have 2. Any other complement? No. Since we don't have any other complement and we have one extra number there, you just put the extra number. You have 2 and 26. That is your answer. So 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3 is what? 26. And the interesting thing about this is that I do not have to be saying 1 plus 7, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 6, 17 plus 6, that's 13, 23 plus 3. It doesn't have to be so difficult. So we can do this. I'm not saying that doing it that way is bad. It's good, but it is it could be difficult for you to get. So that's why we formed this method for you to use. Let me look for another example. Let's look for another example. Let's do another example. Okay. Say 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to what? What will be your answer? In the next 3 seconds, what's your answer? I hope you get it. If you did not get it, then look at it. You have, what's the complement here? You have 7 and 3. That's one complement, so you have 1. And then 6 plus 2 is what? 8. So you have 18 as your answer. Are we getting it now? I believe we are getting it. That's good. If you are getting it, that's a good one. So can we go to another? Okay, let me give you another one that is not as. So let's talk about something like this. 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5. What's the answer? Okay. So you have, what's the first complement here? You have 1. That's one complement. You have 5 and 5. That's another complement. Then you have 4 and 2, which gives you 6. This is what? 26. That's very good. Do you understand? Let me give you let's look for another example. Don't worry, the more you practice it, the easier it gets. It may not be fast at first, but as you do more of it, you get more comfortable and it get easier for you. Let's look at something like this. 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3 plus 4. What's my answer? Okay, looking at this one now. If you look at this one now, how do we solve this? Okay, you have 7 and 3, that's 1. 6 and 4, that's another 1. Are we together? Then you have this 5. If you look at 2 and 3, they add up to give you 5. Plus this 5 will give you another complement. So 5 plus 2 and 3 gives you another complement, making 30. Can you see that? Let me explain it again. I don't want to rush it. If you look at this, 7 and 3 is one complement. 6 and 4 is another complement. Now, this 5 and 3 is not a complement. 3 and 2 is not a complement. But if you add the 3 together, it will give you one complement. So we should be able. So, and knowing that will also aid us in knowing that this is a complement. Because 2 plus 3 is what? 5. And 5 plus 5 is what? 10. So knowing that, we'll be able to calculate our answer with the complement. Are you getting it? Okay, now let's go back to the first the first question we're doing. The first question we're doing. The first question we're doing. What was the first question we're doing? That was 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And I said in the next 3 seconds. How do we do it? We have 1 complement, 2 complement, 3 complement, 4 complement 5. 45. That's my answer. If you like, you can carry your calculator. By the time you are done writing on the number, I've already finished writing it. So you see, this will help us to get faster with our calculation. And mathematics is also good for reasoning. It helps you to be able to reason well, be able to reason fast, reason sharp. Are you getting it? So I would like you to try this. Try more of it. Try more of it as time goes. Try more of it. Let me give you one to do. Okay. Let me give you one to do here. 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. Okay, so do that in your own. What's the answer? 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3. What's your answer there? Let me give you one more. 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7. What's my answer there? Okay, the first one, let's do it together. Okay, let me give you 5 seconds to do it. Okay, now you can pause the video to do the calculations. Let's check it out. 8 complement of 8 years old. So you have yes, but again, another complement. These 3 give you another complement. Am I right? 4 plus 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So that's another complement. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 45. Okay. Do you understand now? I believe we will. If you don't understand, you can pause the video and go back and check it again if I'm right or wrong. So let's go to the next one. The next one says 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3. Okay, let's look at it. This is 6 and 4 is one complement. 7 and 3 is another complement. That's 1, 2. Then any other complement there. 4 is you have 5 and 2 and 3 is another complement. That's 3. With this 4, that's what 34. Are we getting it now? 34. Can we go to the last one? You can pause the video so you can try it out. So let's check this out now. Complements. Any complement here? You have 7 and 3, one complement. 4 and 6, another complement there. So that's 20 there. You have any other complement, so we add the other ones to it. 5 plus 20 is 25. 25 plus 4 is 29. 29 plus 7 makes 36. That's the answer. 36 is the answer. So if you find this video helpful, click this notification bell and hit the subscribe button. I hope next class we'll be talking about adding double digit numbers, and I hope you enjoy it.